The difficult conversation that has to happen in a household when you have someone that is aspiring for something greater and others are not on the same page. May Allah make it easy for all of our brothers and sisters that convert to Islam and their families just don't get it. And they are so dedicated towards that destination and talking to their families about trying to understand what they're aiming for and what their motivation is. And sometimes it's hard to convey all of that. Abu Bakr as-sadiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, even when it's not hostility, Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he used to go and free people from bondage, free slaves in Mecca with his own wealth. And his father, Abu Quhafa radiallahu anhu, who wasn't Muslim yet, he says to him, listen, usually when people free the enslaved, they free the ones that they feel like can benefit them most. Like the payment is in accordance with how valuable that slave is going to be to them in this life. But I see you freeing people like Khabbab and Bilal and these people that you're paying top dollar to get out of bondage. And what are you getting from it? Doesn't make sense. And that's why even the disbelievers, they said, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu had a deal with them in the past. And he said, oh my father, إني لأرجو ما عند الله. I don't want what people have in this life. I want what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has. Subhanallah. Allah Azza wa Jal reveals Surah Al-Layl about Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. So Abu Bakr is trying to convey, look, I want something different. You're not going to get this. It's not going to make sense to you, but I'm at work right now. I'm depositing into something more meaningful. I'm seeking something greater with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not going to make sense to you until you believe in what I believe in. But then